In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for cosplay that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and large-scale printing. With an ultra-fast printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, it is 10 times faster than standard 3D printers, saving significant time and energy. Its massive printing volume of 420 by 420 by 500 mm allows users to create models with a capacity of around 88 liters in a single print, making it ideal for prototyping, custom designs, and creative projects. The printer features LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling with smart Z offset compensation for improved accuracy and user convenience. It also includes one-click smart printing with vibration compensation and intelligent flow control for enhanced print quality and stability. The Anycubic Smart App enables Bluetooth provisioning, firmware updates, status monitoring, and remote control for a seamless printing experience. Each unit undergoes strict testing before delivery and comes with a 1-year warranty, with shorter warranties on specific components, lifetime technical support, and 24/7 customer service. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v2. The Congro Ender 3v2 is a 3D printer made of durable aluminum with compact dimensions of 17.32 inches by 17.32 inches by 18.31 inches and a lightweight design at 15.4 pounds. It is compatible with laptops and personal computers, offering advanced features for enhanced performance. The printer includes a self-developed silent motherboard for stable, interference-free, and quiet operation. It comes with a UL-certified branded power supply, ensuring fast heating, long-term printing, and improved safety with its concealed design. The Ender 3v2 also features a rotary knob on the extruder for effortless filament feeding, a new user-friendly UI system, and a 4.3-inch smart color screen for an improved user experience. Additionally, it supports a resume printing function to continue printing after power outages, reducing waste and saving time. The carborundum glass platform enables quicker hotbed heating and better print adhesion without warping, ensuring ultra-smooth results even on the first layer. Number 3. Entina X40 V3. The Entina X40 V3 is an advanced 3D printer designed with independent dual extruders, offering for versatile printing modes, dual material, single material, duplication, and mirror mode. It features a large build volume of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, allowing users to create large and complex models with a variety of materials such as PLA, ABS, TPU, PETG, nylon, wood, and even metal. Equipped with an intelligent auto-leveling system and a super silent 32-bit motherboard with TMC2208 drivers, it ensures precise and quiet operation. The printer is Wi-Fi enabled with their Polo Print Cloud app for remote control and supports multiple slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D. Additional features include a 4.3-inch full-color touch screen, a PEI spring steel magnetic platform for easy model removal, and a built-in camera for monitoring prints remotely. With excellent customer support, including 30-day returns, a 24-month warranty, and lifetime technical assistance, the Entina X40 V3 is user-friendly for both beginners and experts alike. Number 4. Snapmaker 2.0 A350T 3D Printer. The Snapmaker 2.0 A350T is a modular 3-in-1 3D printer that combines 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving into one innovative machine. Designed with advanced features, it offers a large build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, enabling users to create large-scale prototypes without splitting files. The machine is built with a durable all-metal body and delivers high precision with a repeatability of 0.005 mm, ensuring consistent performance and safety. Its modular design, powered by combust technology, allows for easy assembly, disassembly, and component changes. The Snapmaker Luban software, featuring a 5-inch touchscreen and intuitive interface, supports multiple operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and offers features like power loss recovery and multi-object processing. The device includes connectivity options via Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, or USB cable. Snapmaker also provides 1 year of after-sales support, technical assistance, guides, and access to an interactive community to help users get started quickly. With its versatility and robust design, the Snapmaker A350T is ideal for unlocking creative potential in various applications. Number 5. QIDI Plus for 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X+4 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners, offering a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches and high-speed Core XY printing capabilities. It features a second-generation active chamber heating system with 400W ultra-high heating power, dual-layer insulation, and air circulation to ensure balanced temperatures, reducing warping and cracking when printing with high-temperature filaments. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including PPSCF, PPACF, GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, and PET, thanks to its upgraded 80W high-temperature hot end and multi-metal integrated nozzle that can reach up to 370 degrees Celsius. The X+4 is user-friendly, allowing for unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes, with remote monitoring and control through the QIDI mobile app or slicer, as well as features like filament detection and an HD camera for real-time monitoring. Built for durability and precision, it includes an independent dual-motor-driven Z-axis, a thickened aluminum hotbed platform, and upgraded linear shafts. Additionally, the printer supports multicolor printing with its integrated filament cutter and compatibility with the upcoming QIDI box for automatic filament feeding, set to launch in early 2025.